I asked ChatGPT to give me 10 ideas to give for my boyfriend for Valentine's Day. And you will see how different the results we get when we use ChatGPT and when we are searching on Etsy, right? So we are as sellers, we think that everything should be searched only on the platform. We analyze products on the platform, but have a look what our customers get as a result when they search for products in their ChatGPTs, right? So here they ask me, okay, so what kind of gift I want to give? Romantic, only on Etsy, yeah, because we want to get products from Etsy to be sure that we can also sell them. And here, yeah, okay, let's choose something about tech and gadgets. Well, so you see ChatGPT is asking some questions and then it starts searching for products, right? So it gives some ideas and we can click it right now, right? So we can click it, say I'm interested, not interested, show me more like this, or, you know, just skip it. So these are the ideas. And basically our customers now, because we live in the world of AI and, you know, 900 millions of users use ChatGPT right now, right? And they ask this question before buying a gift, right? So we should understand how customers get the results and what advice ChatGPT gives, right? So that's why I'm showing you this video, because I was shocked that our customers get absolutely different results from what we actually analyze and start selling if we are searching for goods to sell in Etsy, right on the platform. Okay, just have a look at all these gifts, you know, what they prepared us. Okay, so I said, no, I don't like any of this, okay, because I already got the idea what ChatGPT prepared. And we can give it a little bit more time. And you see here what I'm using. I'm using shopping research, right? So this is a new button on ChatGPT that customers can click and they will get only shopping analytics, not just, okay, ChatGPT, tell me this or that. So they will get only shopping analytics. And okay, so here we have the results. And look, right? Romantic Etsy made Valentine gifts. So it's karaoke with his name. Then it's a personalized mini speaker, right? So Bluetooth speaker, cute. Docking station, well, that's not a new product, yeah. So yeah, interesting. It can sell well. Oh, look, engraved wireless charger, right? Absolutely good. And custom AirTag holder gift, right? So because if they use AirTag, yeah, they might need a holder. Personalized earbud case, right? Wow, it's personalized, it's very interesting. And personalized USB drive, right? Romantic photo nightlight, usual. Again, personalized wooden phone stand. Yeah, so this is I can't say boring, but yeah, useful. And a leather travel cord organizer. So this is useful and this is really, really good. Okay, so ChatGPT explains why it chose these things, and you can continue talking to ChatGPT and ask, okay, why this, why that. So we have images from the previous search, and look, we have a cross, we have photoglass picture with Spotify song and candle, right? So interesting. Some blankets and mobile phone stands. Okay, so pretty usual. Well, I prefer the other ones that he gave here. And we have sources, right? So we can go to Etsy and look at the suggestions, what ChatGPT gave us. And believe me, if you start searching on Etsy, I will show you a bit later, it will not give you these products, honestly. So these ideas that me as a customer, I got from my ChatGPT, I would never get as a seller who analyzes things on Etsy. And this is very important to understand how AI shopping search has changed everything, right? Well, ChatGPT doesn't give bestsellers here because here we're talking to ChatGPT as a customer. So it gives ideas. Wow, look, so there is a photo frame. So yeah, then they can see what's happening here, and they give some shops where probably ChatGPT thinks you can get a lot of custom things. Okay, so yeah, so these are not quite a new niche, so it's pretty popular, and it gives even on Amazon. For me, it shows Amazon Spain, and it gives, okay, if you cannot find anything on Etsy, have a look on Amazon. You have lots of things, and this is really good. So customers get like everything in one place, a lot of sources. So ChatGPT analyzed what is popular and gave customer these ideas. So if they prefer Amazon, they will order from here because it's fast and like a lot of protection. So customers love it. Okay, so and we have Trustpilot, and we have reviews. Yeah, so ChatGPT analyzes everything. So what people say, what they think they would buy for their loved ones, right? And here like it gives also the, okay, if you want, so this is the search, you can look yourself, right? And yeah, so we have here the things. Okay, so this is what ChatGPT gave to customers, right? And here we have not only boyfriends, okay, husband can get something maybe more boring, but yeah, quite interesting. Okay, so we can go by one by one and look at these products, but this is a very interesting search, honestly. So if we go right now to Etsy and start searching ourselves, believe me, you will not see these things. And this is really cool. So this is very easy to make, order in China, and this product can really work well. This customized charger. Okay, so now I am on a different platform. This is Atlas, and here I asked Atlas, so it's ChatGPT, like a version of you know, browser, and I also asked, okay, find for me the same gifts, and I got absolutely different results. And I asked Atlas to give me from shopping research, yeah, to do the shopping research, and I got other results, right, from the beginning. So have a look. So we didn't get it from the normal ChatGPT. So Atlas gave a different results. So we have a personalized star map print, amazing product. Have a look at it. So you can make a lot of digital things with this idea, right? It would be easy, very easy to make and sell. And yeah, there was no product like that in the previous search, right? And look, we have lots of 5 stars. Okay, so it's like a print on demand. You can do it. Valentine's line drawing print. Well, this is, I should say, it's more romantic here, I would say, because ChatGPT asked us about romantic gifts, but I think these ones are even more romantic than karaoke. So custom songs reading wall art, amazing. You know, this is for Etsy. This is just amazing. So look at this product, and I'm sure if you start searching, it might not be in the search on Etsy, like at the top, right? And this is a digital download. So they just send you the name of the song or lyrics, and voila, so you have your custom product. Yeah, so here we have candles, some bracelets, custom map, right? So different. As you see, these are different. Everything here engraved, customized. This one is really nice. So knight's card, jewelry, pendant. Yeah, so, and it's cute, right? And it can give, you know, some romantic thing. So these are the results, right? And pretty amazing. So me as a customer, for example, I don't know what to buy. Okay, so I just ask ChatGPT, or I give my browser Atlas to do it for me, right? Okay, give me ideas. So while I'm drinking coffee, so Atlas is searching for goods. And if we go to Etsy and we look at Valentine's Day's gifts, right, we will see absolutely different results. Have a look. Yes, do you see here karaoke? No. You would not see here the things that ChatGPT offered me, you know, in my private ChatGPT search. So these are different results. So if I would start searching, you know, what I'm going to sell in my store, I would think about, oh my God, so these products, okay, so where I'm going to source it, and I just copy what is here. No. So here you will get ideas and yeah, you can find product that sells, but it's not how it works now. And if you look at product analytics here, you will be surprised that top products that are at the top of this big keyword, so the popularity is falling, you see, so 90%, 100% down. So there is only one product has like, it goes up, right? But all these top products, you know, they are not going up, right? So they're falling because the popularity of these products are going down, because the search for goods has changed, because customers don't go to Etsy and search for Valentine's Day's gift. They search for something else. They go to ChatGPT. Let's go directly for the products, you know, for him. And look, again, we have absolutely different results. This pillow, yeah, it's viral. Okay, copy them, do the same pillow. It's boring. Again, where is karaoke? Okay, where is, you know, this charger? Yeah, so a few the same products, and you would think, okay, I will copy this one. But you don't see here any of these ideas. And this is the point I'm trying to explain to you, because you need to search for new products differently. Yes, so here you can get confirmation. Yeah, so this bracelet was on the search, but do you see any custom star map? No. So there is some cosmic card for partner. Yes, this one. A vinyl record. So nothing from the list from ChatGPT. And again, look, 0. So it's falling down. Yeah, of course, when we are now in winter, but believe me, now I sell Valentine's stuff already. So all these, you know, pink things I already sell. So it just, but all these things, they're just, for popularity is falling, right? So, and sales and anything. So we have only one product here that has crazy graphic that goes up. It's a personalized, you know, personalized bag for shower. And here, right, so just, yeah, so the only, yeah, vinyl record, yeah, so this one is going up. It's the only one, but it's pretty old, 25 months. And from something new, it's only this men's leather toiletry bag, right? Okay, but it's is $12. Okay, so just quite a few products, and again we have the dice, and a few sellers sell these dice. It's interesting product. Yes, you can sell this one as well. It will work well. But if you look at research that AI shopping made for our customer, you will see that it's absolutely different. And I would take into account first what ChatGPT offered. And I would analyze every single product niche and see how they sell, and not go into Etsy and looking for what they have at the top. And I would not copy anything from the top sellers. So I never did it. It just going down the price game. So, but here I love this idea. If we use AI shopping search, this can give us a lot of ideas for products. So test it for yourself, test it on your friends, and start selling a different way with a different product research, and always analyze how AI would recommend and what AI would recommend in this niche. So good luck selling, and lots of changes are coming.